Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for staying with me. Today I'm going to make another cocktail. This is my style cocktail. This is Rum Shandy, of course. The main ingredient is rum, and I'm going to use Hoegaarden rum in here. So I'm gonna put the recipe in my description so you can see and then you can make it home easily as well. So let's get started. First I'm gonna put some ice in the glass. Great. So my glass is ready. So first I'm going to put 3 ounces of Hoegaarden rum. Exactly 3 ounces of Hoegaarden rum in here. This 1.5. Great. Nice. Next I'm gonna put some apple juice. 20 ml of apple juice. Great. And I'm gonna add some ginger beer. One ounce ginger beer. And also I'm gonna put some simple syrup in here. Only 15 ml simple syrup. Great. The last but not least, I'm gonna pour Hoegaarden beer in here. Cool. A slice of lime in here. Before you put in here, just like I'm gonna squeeze a bit. Great. And then just put it in here. Great. Now stir it. Okay. Delicious one. And this is my style cocktail. I guess you don't like this too. Cheers. Thanks for watching and staying with me, and wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.